Okay guys, here we are. Today it's 18th of September. We are trading our crypto and I want to show you something interesting, really interesting spot, a really interesting market. It's dYdX pair and Shiba Inu pair. Sorry, I didn't put information about Shiba Inu in the description of that video, but this market is also overloaded and definitely it will blow up soon. As you see, there is a Binance account and we are trading now in the range of 795 points to 818. So it's just crazy how much money are just put in this small range, and definitely it will blow up. I think today it should happen. But crypto market is just crazy right now, and we are lucky that we are on the top of it with a great project, with great tokens in our hands. Another undervalued project, it's a dYdX. It's a DeFi, decentralized exchange birch, and we see that we are at the deep right now, just at the deep. So and right now we see just 1 day chart. Can you imagine? Full cycle goes for 1 day. Here you can buy dYdX at $15 just at the bottom, let's say 15, 16, and just sold it at the top 17, 18, and pretty sure some guys could do it successfully a few times. But just let's go to the market and check what it will be. I am trading on KuCoin exchange and it's pretty good. So dYdX, it's also just crazy spot, crazy Fibonacci levels, crazy volume which is here. So it's just unbelievable, and it's also ready to blow up just right now. So for dYdX it's quite easy to build a reasonable Fibonacci levels lines, and it's actually just, oh my god, I even can't finish it because it's just on the line which we are trading right now. Okay, yeah, so here we can see it. So what will be in the next let's say hours, but it could happen in the next few minutes. The market will blow up, and we just on this spot, and it will be difficult to just move the line on this crazy market movement, but we will try. I put it like that because we just take to the consideration our candles bodies, and looks like this candle are still on this line, so we can't like cross it in the another way. So sorry guys, I'm not from US, not from England, I'm from Ukraine, and my English could be not so great, but still I will try to explain my thoughts, and I hope someone will find these thoughts reasonable. So, and let's try to cross the line here, and it's like really difficult. It's really difficult because these spots are so greatly over traded, so it's just like physically difficult. And let's try to put some lines here. It's just sometimes it's just difficult because we are on the top of this market, you know, and even it's difficult to cross the Fibonacci levels. It's really not so easy, but still. So the price right now is between $15.08 and 15.836, but definitely with this market volume it will grow and blow up in next hour, I think, really in next hour. But we can just we can just cross some lines on this spot, and we will see easily which price will be in next movements. So guys, I just trying to like hold this line, not exactly by the candles bodies, but with taking into the consideration the level of over trading spot here. That's why sometimes it's just difficult to build this line now. And very interesting line from here. Oh guys, sorry, it's just sometimes it's just difficult even to like cross these lines. So here we are. Oh my god. So the price now in this thin range, and we could just realize where this price will go on the next few movements. Let's say we will like build it right there. So yes, here we are, and as you see, we just on this tough spot, and this tough spot, what will be next? It will blow up soon. It will blow up, and you can double up your deposit, or even more. It's quite interesting actually. It's not difficult to build these lines, and it's much easier to trade when you have them. You will definitely understand where price should go, really, and we already know where should it go, right? So I expect that in next few moments the price line will go to this channel and will rapidly move forward. But because of a very well traded level of markets right now, sometimes it just take more time to build these lines. And just guys, it's amazing definitely. Like Fibonacci was so good guy. We can say that he predicted the existence of the God with these Fibonacci levels, because it's just wonderful. And we can see our range for trading actually, what it should be. And as you see, we are exactly here. And if we will go on this spot, it will be top of the trading channel. So it will be just amazing spot. Let's talk more about dYdX as a project. So it's on rank 213 right now, but on some resources it's on the top 100 right now. And we can see the level of live volume is $500,000, and it was much more in previous few days. And if we will see the level of tradings here, the price was going from $9.7, from $10 till 18.50, I think it was the top, but let's say 18. So what we can say, just seeing this graphic. So guys, it's just amazing. It's just like a roller coaster, and definitely the price will go up just on our eyes, just right now. And it's amazing. So about live volume of this coin, I think it could be even more. Let's try to find live crypto market volume 24 hours. So here we can see more detailed information. Oh, sorry guys, it's not actually the right link. Here we are. So it's a 24-hour volume rankings currency, and here this data is a little bit different, which we have on this list actually. I will show you why. So Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, blah blah blah, and let's move forward. SushiSwap, very interesting DeFi project as well. And here we are on the 30th place of all market. We have dYdX, and actually it's correct information. Sorry, it's really this amount of money, 500 millions of dollars. So it's pretty amazing. but it could be easily 5 times more, like it was twice time more just yesterday and day before yesterday. But let's go again to the market and we will see what is going on here. Sorry guys, I just a little bit messed it up because I just was trading, I think like many of you, just trading non-stop on this period of time, because it's just amazing. Nobody can lose this opportunity because opportunity is really huge right now. It's really huge. It's a beginning of bull run market, and it's just crazy. And you see here we even, oh my god, it's just amazing. I don't know even how to like how to build the line here. Looks like something like that. Okay, and that will be our like basement. So here we are. And what on other charts, and as you see we can get to this channel and price will be blow up from this channel definitely. Let's say it will be our support levels. And I think that we have to draw one line just like that. No, just like that. Okay, it's just virtual reality, guys. Really on your eyes. And we can easily predict where place will go. So it will be interesting to see how will it go. It's quite funny. Okay, so the price is growing. The price is growing and will grow up to 17, I think, in next few hours. Okay, so what else, guys? Also we are trading on the pair of Shibu USDT, and it's also pretty great. This market is overwhelmed. It's hot as fuck. You can see it with these patterns. Actually, for those people who don't really know what does it mean, that means that it's our support actually. So it's our support lines. If you see this green candle with such lines, it's our support, guys. And with such state of market, this support will be with us like for a very long time. So here we also, like on the top of movements, Shibu token was listed on the Coinbase exchange just like 1 week ago, and as well as a dYdX is just showing beautiful results in the very short period of time. So and for Shibu it's even much more. Okay, let's say it's difficult just to draw on here because it was just a start of trading of this coin, and as you see is just going to this channel, and it's nothing difficult to draw on these lines and realize where price should go. Yep, it's quite easy, and we can see that right now the real price like should be much more for Shibu. It should be like up to 1 cent, I don't know, 1000 Satoshi, how to even name it. Okay, what next? Oops. As you see, it just hit on the cross of these lines, and that's why the price was moved up. So it's quite interesting. Okay. And as you see, we just right here, and we'll go, it looks like we will go like that, just like a rocket to the sky, and it's amazing. It's just amazing, guys. So what's next? Guys, I recommend you to check CoinMarketCap and especially DeFi project because DeFi crypto market shows the best results on the long spot. You can see it on the 7 days period. The best price movement are on the market of DeFi, and don't look on this decreased over the last day because today Bitcoin like moving really strange. It's moving on a thin green line, and that's why other projects are suffering. But still, you can see that dYdX showed a great result during last 7 days. It's 43, more than 43% of growing. Yes, this token was listed to the exchanges like 1 week ago, and we can like think that it's a temporary movement, but believe me, it is not. It is right really going pretty well, even on the short period of time. And as you see, we are going to this thin market channel, so the real price should be right now about $16, and it will go up in next couple of minutes. And I think we are able to even predict where it happens, so it will go here and will go up from this point. And we can trade and see how this price will move forward. So let me find price movement. Price 24 hours crypto. 24 hours, blah blah blah. No, it's not exactly what I want. Price percent per hour. Sorry guys, I just have to be prepared better because I used some sites which provide great statistic, and unfortunately CoinMarketCap doesn't show price movement for 1 hour, hourly price movement, but I think we will find another site. Okay, it's a Coin Codex, which will give us blah, blah, blah. Which will give us better information. Okay, and here we are. We have gainers. It's a coincodex.com gainers, and here we can see price gainers for last 1 hour, and as you see, for 7 days dYdX is on the top of the market, 30, almost 44%. What about 24 hours period? Yeah, it's more difficult, but we can easily check price movements for top coin, and as you see, dYdX is just moving on our eyes just right now, and it's almost 2% of growing per hour, and keep going up. So yep, as predicted, and it's not really difficult to predict it, because it's a great project. It's a project from LA, or from San Francisco, sorry, from top of the niche IT guys, who just create beautiful project, beautiful exchange platform where you can trade futures. I don't understand anything about futures, but it's a decentralized platform where you can trade, not depositing exactly to the exchange wallet, but trading for your own wallet, and your money will be saved. And as you can see here, we can see a little bit more information about this team, and it's just great, you know, like this company is looking like one of the great startup from Silicon Valley, with a lot of airdrops, promotions, discounts, etc, etc. So it's just a great platform, and it's on Russian for me exactly when I goes to it, and definitely you can switch to your own language, and you can see it's investors of this project, and it's like well-known name, Polychain, I don't know, like Anderson Horowitz in the angels, IT angels and crypto angels, and definitely this project will go very fast. So what we can see here, let's move to our dYdX trading. So as you see, volume is pretty good, and we are going exactly as predicted, but it's not difficult to predict these movements. So we will see how we'll go up. So guys, I recommend you to do your own search, and actually I cannot recommend you to buy these tokens, but it's really a great project, and for 1 week period of time it just shows a great result. Another great project, it's a digital bits. You can see that it's price movement for 1 hour for this coin. It's also incredible. It's almost 4% per hour, and actually I have this token on my pocket. Yep, and let's do such of things. Okay, digital bits. It's quite difficult to find market on KuCoin. I don't know why, but it's really user experience is not so good, so it's better to go to CoinMarketCap and to open this link here. So as we see, it's moving really fast, and you can see it just right now, and it will definitely break this resistance, I think. So that's also a very undervaluated project, which is going pretty fast, and it's the best time for such project to show great price movement. So guys, I recommend you to put your attention on growth per hour, because it's a real data which you can use for your daily trading. It's really something very useful, and as you see, it's just mooning. It's mooning. Okay, let's check the overview. Let's see how this project is going on, and it's just incredible. It's just incredible, guys, and it will go keep moving. So it's just right here, right now. So the price was moved for 40 cents to for 400 cents to 600 cents, but it's still undervalued, guys. It's still undervalued. It will be much better, and you see this movement is just like a thin line to the sky, and it's just amazing. Yep, and it happens just right now. For dYdX, it's we have some people who want to earn money on trading these channels, but because of this market is not really very well traded yet, so experienced traders have possibility to move the price to some channels which they want. But people who know the real price of token, who believe in their token, they will go up with their price predictions, and will not get these manipulators, I would say to move coins in wrong direction. So it should be moved totally up. Um, so guys, here we are on the top of spot, on the top of spot, and you just can imagine how it will blow up when it will go. We just need some market volume, and it will go fast forward. And if you see these thin lines on your trading screen, that means that it was pretty hard, pretty strong movement, and we are like already on this basement, and let's play with these lines. Okay, so yep. So guys, and we definitely know that this market will will grow very rapidly, and we are on the top of it right now. Of course, it's great that Bitcoin has started to grow slowly but surely, and as you can see, for last day it grows up. You can maybe cannot see it on this point. Yeah, you can see it, so you can see this price movement, and actually that's pretty good. So Bitcoin was grown from $46,800 to 48.8 almost, yeah, 0.8 in these 2 days, and it will goes up, I think, and I think that price for Bitcoin, a reasonable price for Bitcoin, is really more than 100 sorry guys, $100,000 for sure, and I think that we will see such price very soon. And guys, as you build your trading correctly, the market will show you these brilliant possibilities of trading tools to see these price movement more closely and just better. You will predict it just on the move, because right now the price manipulators, whales, they're trying to play with price, as you can see on Shiba. They just played on this price. They actually dumped it. Because it shouldn't go like that. It shouldn't definitely go like that, but people just earn money on scary beginners who are ready to sold their profit because they're just scared to lose it. They're just scared. And people will try to sell their tokens on this level, losing money, and just behaves like scared puppets. And if you will like spend 5 minutes of your time drawing very like undifficult lines statuses, you will see that you should believe in your token and believe in your project, believe on your investments, choice, because if you choose this project, it should be a reason for that. Yeah, so we invest our money to that, and it should be nice decision, a reasonable decision. And believe in yourself, have some balls to do not sell your tokens, your investments on the bottom of line, because it will just crash your bank statement, crash your wallet. And just believe in yourself, because it's just all about experience, guys. When you will have like 1 week experience, you will understand that it's just a price movements which is not correlated with real movements of market. It's just people who want to earn on you, yeah, who want to earn on your fear, and don't give them such opportunity. Don't give them such opportunity. Sometimes it's just difficult to build the graphic, but when you try to spend a little bit more time, I recommend you to cross these lines on the candles bodies, not on these lines, because only candle bodies shows up a real level of resistance, and shows us where this price should really go. And as you see, it's just going pretty well according to money volume. But if people will believe in yourself, they will just hold their tokens on that level, and it will go up. But exchange manipulators, whales, and people who knows this market better, who dump it and pump it on this market, they just try to play in such games. Don't give them a reason to earn money on you. So guys, you see that trading right now is pretty tough, because a lot of money are in right now, are in on crypto, and I will just show you how it works. So you see, exactly in these lines we have a point for trading, and it is just right here. So we are in this channel, but just one slight movements and we will be top of that and will go up. Just be attention to the trading movements right now, because they are rapidly like over trade right now, yeah, and yep, and sometimes it's just difficult to understand where market should go, yeah, but when you like draw such levels, you will totally understand where it should go. It should go only up, only up. And believe in yourself. So you see, it's already protected with people who protect their money. It's a basement. Of course, some people who manipulate this price, who earn this movement, will try to dump at it and then pump at it when it will be a good moment for them, and earn money on that. But if you believe in project, if you spend like few hours of your time on like Fibonacci levels, understanding, or just slightly drawing these lines of trading, you will definitely understand how it works and will more believe in yourself, you know, because right now it's difficult to understand where market will go and what will be next. Yep. So guys, let's see what will happen next. And of course, KuCoin are not so hot exchange, but I like it. It's actually quite good and quite easy to be there. A lot of interesting coins, and it's pretty good. Okay guys, so what next? Let's check the market of Shibu on Binance, and it's really just amazing, guys. It's just really amazing. These levels of trading, you can see how it's hardly traded last days. You can see the main resistance level, and on the Shibu project you exactly see how people manipulate this price, how they dump it project, and people who are new on this project, or as you know, this story about Shiba tokens were given to Indian citizens who suffered from COVID. Right now a lot of Indian guys just sell their token with unreasonably low price, and that's why it's just like suffered. But it will not always be, and like you know, it's soon everything will put on the place, and market will like show the real place for everyone and for every project. Oh, and here, just for such manipulated market as as Shibu is, it's quite difficult to build these tunnels, and as you see, it's like Fibonacci levels, and we are on the bottom of it. We are on the bottom of it, but definitely one big pump and everything will just will just blow up. Let's spend a couple of more minutes here, and we can build our market lines better. Yep. So as you see, it's already manipulated on this level of 846. It should go up, 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 but because of manipulation, just people moves it to the wrong direction. But it's a good possibility to buy this token on pretty good price. And guys, don't miss this opportunity. Don't just miss it, because you know, like, it's a good possibility to buy on the dip. To buy on the dip, definitely. And sometimes on these markets it's even like difficult to understand where price should go, but you have to just believe in your project and understand that people could dump it and price will soon drop up. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't finish my thoughts about Indian guys. So Indian guys sold this Shibu token on a lot of exchanges. As I know, Vitalik Buterin and Shibu developers team moved this token to help suffered people who suffered from COVID-19 in India, and right here we see that people are just trying to survive trading these coins on the exchange. Of course, it's slightly annoying because it just brokes real price movements, which should be for tokens undervaluate them, but it is like it is, and it's really good, maybe because it's a great possibility to buy on the dip. Yeah, like I bought Shiba when it was cost like 900 Satoshi, and I thought it was a good price, but right now we understand that the price, the real price should be much higher. But because of this price manipulation, it's just dumped. But if we will take the whole picture, you will definitely understand that this token will blow up soon, and there is why. Let's take green mark. So after this Shiba token was moved to Coinbase, the price dropped from 0 to 5,000 Satoshi, and after that it was dumped yeah, it was dumped, and after that it lost like most of this value. It moves to 551 Satoshi, so 10x less than it was. And right now it's of course good possibility to buy Shiba with a good price. So okay, it's a resistance level. Let's move it a little bit up, like here. Okay, I think it will be the main resistance level for the next pump. 1451, and I think it will be like main resistance level when this price will go up, and I believe that it will happen pretty soon. So guys, of course it's difficult to trade on such markets. It's difficult, but just buy in the deep and you will be fine, you know, because like price will rapidly blow up as soon as you find as soon as market find a good movement for it. Okay, let's try. It's difficult. It's difficult to draw lines on these levels, but we will try. Oh, and it's difficult to understand where price should go, yeah, but we will try. So guys, I recommend you of course to buy Shiba on the deep. It's not a financial advice, it's just my thoughts about project. This Shiba doc is pretty good and is going pretty well. It's trending on a lot of platforms, so buy on deep and just sell it when it will be on the high point. All better, I recommend you better hold it, and it's definitely will bring you a lot of money in the future, because it will definitely pump it up again. And if you will take 1 day price chart, you will see just like 1 day right now it's just like a big candle to the sky, and all others is price manipulation. Don't have to be scare you, yeah, don't have to scare you, and just it's a temporary thing, and it will definitely go up in next period of time. I don't know how long it will be actually, but it definitely will. Okay, so it just really sometimes it's just difficult. And don't forget to draw on your lines with real candles body on this market as we have right now. Of course it's quite difficult, but just try to do it. And again, all of this, it's a price manipulation, guys, unfortunately, because real level for Shiba should be like this level of resistance should be higher on the graph, but that's what we have. And again, if you will see a daily chart, you just will see these big green candles on it. That means that every big price movement will bring you money when people pump it. So right now it's a pump dump game. Pump dump. Just take some time and build these levels for you to understand next price movement, and you will be able to understand how to deal with this crazy period of trading which we have right now, because market is crazy. Market is really crazy at the moment. So it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good, guys. So I recommend to take your attention to Shiba, and don't panic where price is going down, because on the long distance it's still will be fine. You see that when Shiba Inu was listed on Coinbase, the price was pumped significantly, and it will pump it again definitely, and we are like on the beginning on this process, so it will pump again. I think maybe to 150 Satoshi or something like that. 1000 sorry, 50 Satoshi, or even to 2000, because right now it's just a price manipulation on the market. So don't take it to the attention, and as you see, just on the deep, and definitely it's a good point to buy this token right now. Okay, and as you see, guys who buy it on the deep, they actually get great profit, because these levels are not reasonable really. They know it and they use it. It's a pretty strong resistance right here. Oh, big sale. It's crazy how market is moving, and on such spots it's a good place to earn some money, definitely. So guys, let me think what to show you next. You can right now see the live graph of Shibu token, and sorry that I named my stream on dYdX and doesn't show it really very detailed, so maybe better let me leave dYdX market for you. I will think about what to show you, what recommendation can I give. So just a couple of minutes and I will continue. Thanks. Okay, so it looks like I'm ready to move forward. So guys, it's my recommendation for you to use this portal. It's a coincodex.com. It's give you the best, I think, at least for me, the best statistics for daily trading. And what I recommend you to do, if you are experienced trader, just I recommend you to check tokens which are losing money on the market right now as Shiba and try to a little bit manipulate price, try to buy at such deep, or maybe if you are really experienced whale, try to, you know, like dump it, but it's from moral point of view it's not so good, so everyone decide what to do, but why not, like people use their volume of money, and I think it's okay to do such things, but for me I am not ready to do that. So I recommend you to check this gainers losers chart on CoinCodex and take to attention losers for 1 hour change. Try to analyze their market, trying to understand is this a really deep for such project, or you should buy more deeper. And I recommend you to just use this 1 hour change statistic to find token which will go to the moon when this resistance period will finish for it, and it will start moving like these top gainers tokens. And as you see, our token XB digital bits, which I have here, is just showing a really pretty good progress. And as you see, it's moving up and will move up. It's already a 4th place on the market, so digital bits, I recommend you to check this project. For me, for general picture of token, it's better to use CoinMarketCap. It's more user friendly, but for deeper analysis of token, I recommend you to use CoinCodex. So as you see, digital bits price movement are huge. For 7 days it's huge. For 1 month it's huge, and it's huge for 3 months period. So slowly but surely this token is going forward. So I recommend you to add to your watch list this digital bits token. So as I said before, just check market gainers using 1 hour, 24-hour statistic, and you will understand what you should, where you should put your attention, yeah, and which tokens right now are going well. So there are a lot of great projects which you can find here. So that's all great projects, guys. If tokens show such progress at such difficult period times for alts, it's definitely good projects. So Atom, Digital Beast, Celsius Network, Sia Coin, Verge, Elrond Gold. It's all very great project, and you will not find bad project in this list. But sometimes it could be just pumping, and just check general information about token to understand that it's serious, good, reasonable project, and try to buy this token when it will be on the dip, and you will be surprised that it's quite easy. So for example, this IELF token, which was like created in the previous century, so it's from 2018 year. Right now it's like really from the ancient times. This token just show really wonderful pump just couple of days before, and just try to buy this IELF, this project which were pumped on it's deep, and deep for here for this project I think will be on level of 80 maybe. So don't try to be fast, or 80 or maybe 85. Actually maybe even right now it's a good price. So do your own research, use tools which we have, and we have a lot of tools nowadays, and just try to catch a good project on its deep. And if you believe in project, I recommend you to hold it and just sell it when you will be for sure when you will know for sure that it's a good point for selling your token on the top of it market movement, like for example for Shiba, just right here. And actually I made a mistake, because I just should use real candle bodies without these lines to drop lines to the market. So, and as you see, it's just exactly at the point where market should go, exactly. And I recommend you to just understand it and use this analysis when you are daily when you made daily trading. So guys, sorry that I don't show you a lot about dYdX trading right now, but it looks like people who hold this token, they are not ready to say bye-bye for this token with such price and sell it, and people who wants to buy it just trying to manipulate a market, and that's why you will see like a lot of longs in such markets. A lot of longs, all people will want to buy your token, but it will be at some period of time no volume. So just use it to buy on the deep maybe. And guys, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Believe on your project, and even in the difficult time, it will bring you profit when it start to move. And as we see right now, for dYdX, it's a great possibility to grow, but this market is not well traded right now, and that's why you just don't see big price movement here at the moment, but it's just a question of time. So I think that all of this movement which we have like after this point, it's just a market manipulation. So definitely these dYdX tokens should move forward and use this channel, but people try to earn profit like dumping a little bit these such assets. But if you know a real price for it, for example, I know that a real price for dYdX right now it's at 20. It's really should be like 20. Yeah, like, because I know that a real trend should goes up, and we just don't really see it on this chart. I recommend you to use in such situations like real much longer period of time, yeah, and you will like easily understand which is the real price and which it should be. And as you see for dYdX, it's just price movements are really great. So main movements should be really like that. So it's really should go up here, and just people was trying to manipulate this market, and that's why you see that it's not active right now, but it will definitely be, guys. So let me check, is it translation still going? I'm newbie on it, so sorry if I saying something wrong, but I just a regular guy who want to understand how to trade, how to deal with such price movements, so don't judge me really strictly. And let's check markets for dYdX, which is more hot than KuCoin market. So I just checking maybe someone will type something, but it's not right period for me at the moment, because my channel is not really popular. I just started it for myself to understand what is going on. So it looks like Binance is quite should be quite hot, but I think that we will see almost the same picture here. So as you see, it's just going really good. And if we will use a real price movement, so it should be really so these trend lines should go like that. But of course, while it's still a new market, people just don't understand the real price, oh my god, of their tokens. And that's why sometimes it's just difficult for them to realize what is the real price. And as you see, the real price of it should be much higher. So let's maybe take it like that. Yeah, like it's definitely should go up. And here we see this strong line which will go thus. Oh my god, it's difficult. Which is goes us to real price for this project, which should be about at least $20. At least $20. So let me spend a couple of more minutes to build this chart better. And as you see, price is going just on these Fibonacci levels and like it should be. So don't sell your token for such price, guys. It's just market manipulation. Be strong and believe in token, and it will soon bring you money, bring you profit. And right here we can see that even on Binance right now the trading is really very low. But why? It's because of structure of longs and shorts. All people who understand valuable of dYdX already bought some of it and don't want to sell it. They just keep it. They bought it at the dip and keep it. So in 1 week price was moved, let's say from this top from 9 till 18, not even for 1 week, even less. Yep. So it's 5 days, and for 5 days 100% of investment, it's good. Yeah, so the real price for this token should be at least $20. So don't play on this wealth game. Don't sell your priceless at this period of time tokens with shitty prices. And so guys, here we have our Shiba market, and it looks also right now looks not so active because of this market manipulation. People just bought these tokens and don't really know what to do next with them. Yeah, because of manipulations, market is not working as expected, and it just stops. And it's pretty sad. But if market stop in such deep channels, you have to understand that a project is really very good, because just it's just dumped, and that is why. So I just like show you the real level of manipulation here. Okay guys, so let me just do it. So the real level of manipulation. Okay, so here we are. Boom. It's our start of our lines, and it's already manipulated. It's already manipulated. Okay, let's say it's like that, and then it's what I should do here. So next level should go up, but it's manipulated, and all of these movements are just piece of shit. Let's say we'll take to consideration only like big candles, and still it's manipulated. It's pretty sad to see it. It's pretty sad, but it will definitely finish after some period of time, when people realize that it's shouldn't be like that. So I just don't want even like play with this not main trend movements, but just let's show a couple of them. Okay, so that's our bottom. My god, it's so manipulative. Oh my god. Okay. So, and that's why like it just not really like working channel for price. It's just manipulation of whales. Really. And it's sad. But we should be happy that right now we have such period of time when we just can buy some tokens at the deep and keep it and get a nice reasonable profit. Oh my god, it's even difficult to 672. Oh, okay, it's our main deep. Maybe even a little bit less. Okay. That's why this market is dead. But we will anyway understand where is our real, oh my god, real price, and real price is here. All other is just manipulation. So I just, guys, will we'll draw this line. Okay, let's say it should be our real level. Yep, our real level. So we are already not in the channel. Here our real channel. So it's here, it's already manipulation. So Shiba is very strong project. And the market is dead because of that manipulation. Just people don't really have possibility to play in a market freedom way. Not in market freedom, just understand me right. We understand that it's a manipulation, and people decided that this coin is shit and I don't want to hold it, but it's really a gold. I tell you, because if we take this coin market cap position trending, and Shiba here is on the first place. When you came to coin market cap, Shiba is a number one. Here what you see from the token. And if we will take 24 hours volume, you will see that Shiba, even with such that period of time, got in top 50. Yesterday it was on top 10, but because of these stupid games, it's just here at this place which we have. Okay guys, so you see that all people already buy in the deep, and there are lot of long orders from deep, and nobody like want to, not nobody, but less and less people really want to play in that game, unless this token will have some media movements or whales game movement, and some exchange listing. It will totally go up. So Guys, believe in yourself, believe in your assets, believe in Bitcoin. It's great asset. Believe in other project which is showing a great positive trend, and at the moment like almost like two like 70% of market is just right now of crypto. It's a good project, so just try to do your research, find a good token, buy it on the deep, and then you will see a great result. Like in months, in 3 months. And don't forget that right now we are on strongest bullish market trend for last 4 years. Believe me, this price movement will be really huge when it all started as it should be. So right now we see that with Bitcoin it's like it's obvious that we are in strong uptrend right now, and it's showing up really good progress. But anyway, even Bitcoin right now is dumped hard, really dumped hard, because people manipulate even with Bitcoin. It should be like I would say it will be without this price manipulation. Bitcoin already should be like $100,000 at least, because people just play with it. Whales and people who dump it currencies, they play with it. They just try to keep market on the level which they want, and you can see it. It's strongly dumped. Of course, it's some part of market movements, yeah. But anyway, like people wells know where to dump, yeah, and they wells exactly it's such such period of times. So definitely this Salvador news, it was just a dump to buy in the deep. And could you imagine how much money people can lost on that? It's crazy, absolutely. It's absolutely crazy. So guys, I think that Bitcoin will cost like up to 60,000 in next months. I would say up to $70,000 per Bitcoin, because it's a price without manipulation, and it should be even higher. As you see, even with Bitcoin, they play these shitty games. So here it's maybe like a consolidation, blah blah blah, but really it's a whales game. It should go even like more to the moon, really. And we see this Loch Ness pattern. People name this figure like Loch Ness because it's really look like that. And this Loch Ness pattern is really very strong, very bullish pattern, and you can see it. You can see it here on Shiba. You can see it on Shiba as well. You can see it almost everywhere right now in the crypto market. You can see it on dYdX. It's definitely the same. It's definitely the same. But people manipulate price and dump. So it's sad. But on the other side, it's a good possibility to buy cryptocurrency for people who didn't do it before. Yeah, for newcomers. And you will see this Loch Ness pattern like almost everywhere. So here it's even more than Loch Ness pattern, it's just up to the sky pattern. So this XDB coin is really very great, and it will cost much more in next 3 months, half year, 1 year. It will be like totally great. So let's check. Oh, sorry. Digital bits. So 1 year, boom. 3 months, boom. And it just 400% per month. Isn't it great? Digital bits, a little bit less here, but still it's 200-300% per month. 3 months, you see 1,800% of growing. It's the best coin at the market right now if using this strategy. So guys, I'm a little bit tired, so let me finish this stream. Sorry for the quality of it, but as I said before, I'm just a regular guy who want to share his thoughts and who want to understand what is going on market, who want to earn something, but I am not a hyper. I know that all these patterns are working, and Loch Ness will bring us wealth, happiness, and a lot of money. And price manipulators, governments, central bank system will not kill this digital gold asset, Bitcoin asset, cryptocurrency assets, which we fortunately have right now. So let me finish on that, and see you next time. Thank you guys.